Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that these videos have been really helping you on how to really get started on streaming. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a Discord. Now, I've said in the past, you don't really need a Discord until you get about 50 to 100 followers because most likely they're just going to be passerbys for a little while. So don't stress yourself out if you don't have a Discord just yet. However, the sooner you can get yourself a Discord and get it set up to your liking, the better. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so the first step, this one here is my Discord. You can get into it if you would like to. The link is down in the description down below. We are going to go all the way down to the bottom left and we're going to hit this add a server. And then right here, you have different things that you can do. You can do a gaming, school club, study group, friends, artists and creators, local community. I don't choose any of these templates. I just go straight to create your own. And this is going to be for a club or community. And we are going to call this Love Club. Okay, first things first, we're going to go on over here to where the drop down is, and we're going to go to server settings. We're going to click on roles. This is also where you can update a lot of stuff. So if you want to change your server picture, you can figure out how much an inactive time would be, inactive channel, all this information right here. We're going to go over to roles first. We're going to go to create a role. All right, me personally, I don't like anything that is at everyone, so I always create a secondary role. And for this, I'm going to call it Love Bug. I'm going to make it that color. So if you want to choose an image, you have to boost your server. You want to separate them from everybody else. And now we're going to go into permissions. Now permissions are going to be a little bit different for here. I want on everyone. I don't want them to be able to do anything. Now this may be a little weird. There is a very reason for this. I want people to come into the Discord and get their roles and accept the rules that we have for the Discord before they can see anything that's in the Discord, because that way, and hear me out, when people do this, a lot of people will join a Discord, ignore the rules, and then question why they got banned from your Discord. Do it this way so that when it comes down to it, it's them signing an agreement to accept your terms of condition for your Discord. We're going to go back to Love Bugs, and this one here, now we're going to work on this one. I want Love Bugs to be able to view channels. They can change their nickname. They can send messages. They can send messages in threads. They can create a public thread. I don't want anybody to do embed links. They can add reactions. They can use their external emojis and stickers. They are not going to be able to mention at everyone in here or any of the roles, because this right here is, I don't allow this, because then you'll have those people that like to come in and they think every single body should be notified what they have going on. We're just going to put it into that. They can connect to voice channels. They can speak, video, use soundboard, use external sounds, the voice activity. They are not going to be a priority speaker. Allow members to mute other members and voice channels for everyone. No. Deafen members, no. Move members, no. Set voice channel status, no. They cannot create an event. Okay. So this one here has all the permissions done. The links, they don't need any manage. They can do that. So we're going to go back and we're going to create another role. This one here is going to be, we just call this mod. That mods, they're going to be, I'm going to want this to be a red, but I don't see a red. So we're going to go here, go up here. I want them to be nice and bright. Display role in a separate, yes. They can allow anyone to mention this role. So they can do that. And then they can view channel, manage roles, create expressions, view audit log, manage webhooks, manage server, create invite, create nickname, manage nicknames, kick members, ban members, timeout members, send messages, send threads, create public thread, create private thread, embed links. They can attach files, add reactions, use external emojis, stickers. They can mention to anybody, manage messages, manage threads, read message history, text to speech, voice message, create polls, connect, speak, video, soundboard, use external sound, use voice activity. Well, I don't really want them to be a priority speaker. They can mute members, deafen, move members, set voice channel status. Pretty much you're going to be able to do almost everything. And you're probably wondering, why don't I just add this one? And there is a very good reason. Do not give the admin permission to anyone. Absolutely not. With the admin permission, they would be able to pretty much end your Discord if they get ticked off enough. Don't do it. We're going to go back and I want this to be above here and save changes. You can add your emotes here. You can add your stickers here. Soundboard, this is where you would upload sound. Widgets, if you want them. Server templates, custom invite link, integration. So if you're linked to your Twitch, you can do that here. Webhooks, channels followed, and then you also have all of this. So these are the customize your server and integration. So if you wanted bots and stuff, you can go here and do it. So let's say we want games added. You can add truth or dare, would you rather, or have I ever. I love how advanced this has gotten over the years. Arctic phone. All right, then you got safety setup. So this is how you get all of your information that you need. This is kind of how you create that safety moderation for yourself. Audit mod, if you want something to be constantly on top of everything, you can do that here. An audit log, this right here showcases every single thing that has happened in the server and who did it. Bans, you have a list of users that are banned. You can enable the community. Server subscription, so this is a newer thing to be able to have. If you want people to sub to your Discord, make sure you offer them something to sub for. Right here is where you can do a server boost. Here you can manage all of your users and the roles that they have. You can see every single one of your invites that has happened to this server. We're going to go back here. Events. If you have something going on, like we do events in my Discord, it could be like a voice channel. Just do it in general. Next, we do what's called an after party. It is in every Wednesday. So let's look for weekly on Wednesday. You can upload a cover image and then that will create an invite. So here you are, and then people can put like it's RSVP. People want to show you that they're interested. They can right here. Your text chats and your voice chats. So I always do these differently. If I wanted to create a category, I do. So we can do one for mods. It's going to be a private one. This is just going to be for mods. There we go. We can move this all the way up to the top. And then this one, we're going to have text channel, mods, do this as mods, make it a private channel. And then what you can do is you can also add, I have this for mine. I call mine the mods chit chat because my mods like to talk to each other and I don't want it to be flooding up with actual information that we have coming in. And then we have for our mod meetings, we do mod agency. And again, just for mods. So there's that. And then what you can do, so we have this one, we can edit the category. So instead of it being a text channel, what we can do is make this call this the love bug, save changes. And now this is where all of the love bugs will hang out at. So we can go to general. We can hit this little gear here. We can call this chit chat. All right. So we got chit chat. You can put in your topic, your description right here as to what you want this to be about. So this could be just a community text channel. Oh, you put a slow-mo on here if you want to. Age restricted channels. Hide after inactivity. You can do that if you would like. Save these. You can also set it up where it's just permission. So I make all of mine private. And then I add the roles love bug. And then I make sure that this stuff can happen. They can't manage, create an invite, allows, they can do that, they can do that. And you just kind of go down here and see every single thing that you would be okay with them doing, which is a lot of the stuff that you allow when you're doing your roles. So there we go. Now we have this. We can do a general voice chat. So now there's a general voice chat and you can do these in different types of categories. Like for me, I have my mods, I have the bots, my mods, the welcome screen, the love kit content. So it's all of the stuff that I have that I want my Discord to be notified of, like my YouTube videos, my TikToks, my Instagram, my Twitter, etc. So all of that's in one category. And then under that, I have just my general stuff that I have going on. So I can show y'all. So like I said, love kit content. So this is everything from me. And then I got subs only, a general thing where it's just everything that's involves everybody that's a love bug can do these. And then you got just for fun. This is all the fun things that we allow. Like you can do a venting channel. So we all go through things where it bothers us. So we have to vent about it. So instead of people spewing that stuff during your stream or in a voice chat or right here on your main page, create a vending, and anytime somebody does it, direct them to that. Because I do believe that you have to be mentally prepared to take on somebody else's burden. And having a venting channel preserves that. So when you're live, they start doing the whole trauma dump. And you'll be like, listen, we got a venting channel. You got an issue with something. Please feel free. Go over there. If you're going through stuff, go to the venting channel. This is not the place to do it. And most of the time, people are really good about just going over there and taking care of it. But a lot of people are like, why would you have a venting channel if you don't want them to be acting this way? I'm going to be honest with you. If people are willing to do it live on stream or in a public social site like a Discord, then they are perfectly fine doing it in a threads on Discord. And then anybody could read it whenever they feel up to it. Keep that in mind whenever you're thinking about, I don't know if people would actually be okay with this. Yes, people are fine with that. People love talking about themselves, and they will definitely put this in here when they're going through stuff. Clips. This is clips for anything. Myself or anybody else. Selfies. Anybody wants to put selfies up here, they can. We do it. Memes, ways people like to make fun of me. Achievement. You have achievement. You want somebody to be proud of you. Here you go. I mean, we've had someone that mowed their yard. So it's whatever makes you happy. Put it here. I have like ideas for like merch from my love kit collection, but self promo, you can set this up where these people can get automatically promoted. I have mine set that you have to reach rank 15. So you have to be active in my Discord in order for you to be able to have that auto promo for when you go live. I did this because I had somebody that kept coming in and promoting their friends that are not supporting anything that I do, that is not part of anything that I do. And it got to the point where I honestly felt used. So make sure you set limits and expectations for people to be able to use certain things. Making it where it's like level 15 or rank 15, it does make it a little bit harder, but people work for it. And I have a lot of people that has reached rank 15, and I restarted this over a year ago. So a lot of people has already hit it. All it takes is for you to take time and hang out in the Discord and be active, and you rank up really quickly. You can set all that up through Me6. We have pets, so we get to see a bunch of animals. Foods, a lot of people enjoy posting their foods. Art, got that everywhere. Tattoos, you got a tattoo, let's see it. We even have one that's a DVD codes. So we have all of our codes here. And then we also have a Who Wants to Play. So it is not constantly people tagging everybody. Like, does anybody want to play this? Like, you hear it all the time. Now, if you can get a command that, and I can show you in here, my roles, survey settings, and roles. So these are all the roles that I have. I have a lot. So we have a birthday role. We have a Twitch subscriber role, love bug. We have an assistant trusty mods, live permissions, level 5, warming up, live, which is level 15, streamer idea group, 13 unlocks the voice channel, which means they can jump in the live voice channel on their own. Level 50 is just getting started, 60 dedicated, level 70 VIP. And then you can also get it where they can figure out what their pronouns that they want, what do they play on, the types of games that they play on. So when you do these roles right here, what type of games they play on, which means I can go and ask at DBD who wants to play, and it would tag every single body who has this role. If they want to opt in or opt out for video and post alerts. And then you have it where it's all set up along here. Now you're probably wondering how to set it up along this side. So you're going to go back on up here to server settings, go under roles, and whatever way these are top to bottom. And if you have it where here, if it says display role members separately from online members, you can click this, and then whatever line these are in, that's the order that they're going to be in. Also note this, that whatever color, like Lovebugs is this purple, Twitch streamer is this pink, and then birthday is this like tealish color. So my Lovebugs, and then it's my Twitch streamers on top of that, like bracket, and then on top of that, when it's their birthday, they turn blue. So it kind of keeps it like color coordinated and separated, which I love. All right, so let's go back on over here. I always tell people, if you're going to do something, like if you're a streamer, make sure that you have we're going to make this Love Kids Corner. We're going to make it a private because we want only love bugs to be able to see it. So like I said, they have to get their role to be able to look at this stuff. So we're going to put this here. Actually, I like to put this here so it's underneath. And then under here, I want text. I want a live channel. Again, love bug, create. So now you have going live, and you would set this up by using Me6 or the Yab XYZ or whatever it's called. I will have all the links down below. And whenever you go live, this will actually alert every single body that is a love bug that has that channel notifications on. And then what you can also do is have a voice channel called the waiting room. Always have a waiting room. I've been docked before where somebody jumped in my Discord and then jumped in my voice chat and was just saying really obscene things. And then having a streaming. Now this one here is just going to be for mods. Tell people to jump into your waiting room and then you drag them into your streaming room. And this will actually prevent people from just randomly jumping into your voice channel when you're live and saying things that are just not very appropriate. Another thing that I see a lot of people do, you can have like straight voice channels, and we can do a gaming channel 1. We can add a bunch of these. We can do another one, gaming channel 2. And then if you want like specific games, you can do that too. Fortnite. So people can like jump in here if they're squadding up and it's members from the Discord, they can do that. And you are good to go on that. Different ways that you can also set up your permissions here. So in chit chat, you can go here and then click permissions and you can set this up however you see fit. You have integrations, which means things will only happen in that channel. So if that's something that you would like, you can put them here. All right. So another thing, you can make it where it's your own thing. The issue with this is that whenever you're trying to tag it, it may not come out as clearly as you would like it to. So if you want your Discord to have something like this Discord font with the bows, you can, or if you wanted to have like little things like this, you can actually set all this up. I will put this link down in the description below if y'all would like to check this out. There's another thing about Discord is you can change the typing that you have. You can change the bold, italicized, underline, and crossed out text. So, and you can also change the color of your text. A lot of people don't know that you can do that, but there is a lot of different ways that you can do that. You have this one here, you can change the color. This explains how. I can put this down in the description below as well. Let's see here. There's a lot of different websites that show you all of these things. The ultimate guide so that you can learn how to do everything. And it also walks you through with pictures if that is easier for you to understand. So if you wanted to write your own, you can be like luvkit, which is what I call my community. Let's see here, alternative fonts. Let me see if I can find one and then show you, because I do call my guys the love bugs. So here you are. You're going to click this one. You're going to go on over to your Discord. You're going to go on over to your Discord. You can change this. You can add it. So if you want it to be that one, you can go here, edit category, save changes, and there you have it. Now it is a category with that. So if this is something that interests you, I'll also put that down in the description down below. But yeah, if you would like to learn more about your Discord, please feel free to give this video a like. If you have other questions, please put them down in the comments. If you've not done so already and you're just getting started as a streamer, make sure you check out this video right here where we dive a little bit deeper into OBS, or you can also check out this video right here where we dive a little bit deeper into how to set up your Twitch channel. But as always, make sure you subscribe right here, and I appreciate y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.